You need to hear this if you're a Zimbabwean worried about our economy. Killer Zivu has some strong words about our new currency, the ZiG. Killer Zivu, a prominent figure in ZANU PF, has publicly slammed Zimbabwe's ZiG currency. He took to social media to voice his frustration, calling the ZiG overly complicated and practically useless. Since its introduction in April 2024, the ZiG has faced rapid devaluation, leading to sharp price increases for essential goods and growing public dissatisfaction. Economist Professor Gift Mugano echoed Zivu's concerns, stressing the need for open dialogue to tackle this currency crisis, which has plagued Zimbabwe for nearly 3 decades. Mugano urged the government to heed expert advice to improve the ZiG's performance and ease the financial burden on consumers. Zivu's criticism from within ZANU PF highlights serious cracks in confidence regarding Zimbabwe's monetary policies. As the debate heats up, one thing is clear: the future of the ZiG is under intense scrutiny.